In this video, video 2, I will go into the cold side of the brewery process, the brewery cellar, fermentation and conditioning. After the brew house has produced the wort, it passes through a heat exchanger to bring its temperature down for adding the yeast and fermenting the beer. Fermentation is done inside a fermenter where it spends 7 to 14 days. The beer is then transferred to a bright tank for further conditioning or serving, or it is packed into kegs, bottles and cans. There are two main tanks in the cellar, a fermenter and a bright tank. Both of these tanks are heavily insulated and have their temperature regulated by the circulation of chilled glycol through a jacket that surrounds the tank. Fermenters have a conical bottom to be able to settle the yeast and sediment for easy removal from the beer. Bright tanks are shaped like a big keg and have a flatter bottom and house the finished beer ready for consumption. Both bright tanks and fermenters come in any size. Tanks with volumes up to 10 hectolitres can be stacked on top of each other. This reduces the floor space required and looks great in your venue. Use of bright tanks allow the beer to be served direct from tank to tap. This is great for the beer. It's as fresh as it can be, it reduces labour, there's no kegging required, and provides a visual connection between the brewery and the bar in your venue. It also reduces the size of the cool room needed in your venue, allowing more floor area to be dedicated to patrons. It's important to note that fermenters and bright tanks are pressure vessels and require design and certification to Australian standards for use. All spark fermenters and bright tanks are designed and certified to AS 1210, the Australian pressure vessel standard, for their legal and safe use in your brewery. Your brewery cellar is the limit to your beer output. The size and number of tanks will be dictated by your planned sales volume. If you're brewing and serving on site, utilising bright tanks is a great way to reduce the floor area required for brewery operations. Head to the Spark Academy website via the link below to download our brewery design guide. See you in the next video, video 3, which covers utilities and ancillary equipment.